Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the only way to become wealthy. Because if you want to achieve success, look, no one is going to teach you if you go to school. No one is going to teach you when you go to your job. No one's going to teach you on your way as you commute to wherever you go. You're going to have to learn this on your own. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one surefire way that will help you to get to all the goals you've always imagined and how you can do it starting right now. So please listen up. Alright, so the only way you can ever become wealthy is if you do what I did when I was 21 years old. Study your desires. That's all you have to do. You have to focus on the things that you want instead of entertaining the things that you don't want. And that's what most people do, right? They think about all the things that they don't want, right? They think about being in poverty. They think about being in debt. They think about not being able to pay their bills. And they focus on their fears instead of focusing on their faith. Now, not everyone is motivated the same way as I am, right? But I know that there's some people watching this video who are faith driven, right? There's people who are watching this video who know I'm gonna get exactly what I want if I focus on God first. And those are the people I'm talking to right now, right? Because if you have faith and you couple it with action, you can achieve anything. Right? But in order to take the right action, you have to know exactly what you're going after. And what I'm basically saying is that you have to study concrete results in order to manifest them in your life. So for example, before I got into my first big house, I studied it. I was that little kid, 12 years old, riding my bicycle in the richest neighborhood I can find. And I imagine thinking to myself, I'm gonna get that kind of house one day. Not only do I have a house that's twice as big as the biggest house in my former neighborhood, but I've achieved so many more things that I couldn't even imagine when I was that age. What I'm basically saying is this: everything you want is already out there. The house, the cars, the clothes, the food, the relationships, the community that you want to build. Everything is already out there, and you can manifest it if you study the process that it takes to actually acquire it. Because here's the truth, there's more fun in aspiring and desiring than there is in acquiring. Basically what I'm saying is that there's more fun in becoming the kind of person you need to be in order to attract those things into your life. For instance, a car out there that you really want, right? You're gonna know you want it. But the process in becoming that type of person until you get it is actually a fun process, right? You're gonna enjoy yourself along the way because you're gonna learn so many different things. You're gonna meet so many different people. You're gonna become a better version of who you need to be so that when it's finally time to step into that car, you're actually ready to receive it. And that's all I'm saying, my friends, right? Before I got into a big house, I had to deal with a smaller apartment and then a bigger apartment. And then eventually I got a smaller house and then a bigger house and now the biggest house, right? I had to learn the process of maintaining a house before I finally attracted it. And now I can enjoy it because I've worked to become that type of person. So essentially you have to faith it until you make it, right? You have to believe in it before you start achieving it. You have to know that everything you want will come to fruition as long as you believe and work toward that mission. Because here's the reality. Most people don't get what they want because they don't know what they want, right? They don't know what kind of house they want to live in. They don't know what kind of relationship they want to have. They don't know where they want to be in 5 years, 10 years. And so what I'm saying is you gotta set goals. You gotta do research. If you want that house, then you have to find out everything you can about it, right? Look up that community. Look up the property taxes. Look at the kind of furniture you want to put into it. Look at the price you have to pay to maintain that house, right? How much is the electric bill? How much does it cost to landscape? How much do housekeepers cost? How many housekeepers do you need? Because all of those intricate details is what you need if you want to become an adult at the highest level. And that's the only way you can ever become wealthy, right? That's a secret that no one shares. You have to learn everything about your industry, everything about your business, everything about your investments, everything about your relationships. When you learn and you grow and you understand all the things around you, you're going to be able to manifest more because you're showing God that you can enlarge your boundaries, that you can handle more. And so what he's going to do is he's going to give you more. He's going to bless you more because the funds come from the Father, right? He's going to rain down upon you because you have shown that you can handle that which He's already given you. And that's how you become wealthy, my friends. That's how you become rich. That's how you attract prosperity. And that's also how you build humility. And that's actually something else I want to talk about, right? Because so many people say, oh, when you make it, then you just show off, you brag, you boast. Well, actually, that's the opposite of success. Because if you achieve success the right way, then you're not going to have any time to explain how hard you worked and all the things you had to do. You're not going to have time to flex on people and talk them down and make them feel little. Instead, you're going to make them feel special. You're going to make them feel important. You're going to show them that they can do it too, because you're going to be the light. You're going to show them where the path is. You're going to show them that they can do it too. And that's what success is all about, right? We don't become successful to make other people feel small. We don't become successful to show revenge to our enemies. We don't become successful to prove our enemies wrong. No, we become a success because we want to prove ourselves right. We want to prove God right. We want to show Him that we have what it takes to fulfill the plan that He has for our life. And that's the only way you can ever become wealthy. So study your desires and prove to yourself and to God that you have what it takes to do everything you can to learn about your industry, to learn about yourself, to learn about your desire, and put it all together so you can achieve all that you require. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please email me at info@danielaldie.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else who absolutely needs it. Again, this is Daniel Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything that you do for the rest of humanity. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.